going to do this Jamb detail, and the way to start this off is to go into your ground floor plan. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that, so we'll do this right from the start. So I'm in my ground floor plan here, and as you know, this is the window we've been concentrating on. So I'm going to go up to view, and I'm going to call out rectangle, and I'm going to put in a call out just to get the Jamb area there, and I'm going to select again, get that tag out of the way, put that over there like so. Now, because this is a plan detail, look where this is going to arrive. It's in ground floor plan call out 2, and I'm going to rename that, and this is going to be called my window E detail. There. Okay, now let's double click that and open that one up. Right, now we've got that little problem of these things appearing here. So VV on the keyboard, into annotation categories, and I'm going to go into sections here, just turn off all those section lines. Okay, and if I zoom to fit, now that'll come up like so. Alright, so that's the start of my Jamb detail there. Let's change the scale, and we're operating on a scale of 1:5. That does interesting things there as well. Okay, so let's go straight into and introduce in the Jamb detail of that timber window that we've been working with, and there's a few anomalies here I want to show you. So I'm going to annotate, component, node family, and here I am in Windows Roof Lights and Screens. Now if you remember, that is the that is the head that we used here. Now look at the picture. When I go to the Jamb, it's different, isn't it? Look, it's different. Alright, here's the middle point, and there's the sill. So we've used this one and this one, but that one is annoying me because it's not quite correct. I think that should be sitting in here rather than out there. Now there's another one here called a projecting Jamb. Alright, and that one is, it's slightly thicker in the framework here, so I'm a bit annoyed with that, but I'm going to open that one and just stick that one in to show you. So I'll hit my space bar in order to turn that around, and I'm just going to position it. And so now you've got to remember that this is all one unit, so this cannot be different to what's happening at the top or the bottom, or too much different anyway. So if I introduce the standard head here, is the Jamb, here's the head, okay, and I'll just hit the space bar there. Now let's do a comparison. Okay, it's not too bad, it's not too bad, not too bad at all, at all, at all. Is that right? Was the head? Yeah, so I brought the head in and it's sitting over that, so I'm happy with that. That's worked out quite well. You notice as well that our plasterboard has wrapped around the corner here. Would it go that far? I'm not quite sure. Yeah, probably would, because obviously we can't leave a gap there, you know, so we've got something to fix that onto. Would we have that coming off slightly as we did before in order to line up directly with that? Yeah, we might even do something like that. So you've got the techniques to do that. Remember our coursing here, and I just got a note from Sean there. He's noticed that some of you are not paying attention to the vertical coursing, and that's really important that you do that as well. So if I wanted to bring in some repeating details here, sorry, component, no, back again, escape, and repeating details. So I will be looking for my brickwork on plan, and I can start from there, just bring that across. Okay, and I wouldn't have a mortar joint there, so because that obviously will finish on the edge there. I'm going to use a little masking region. I think I'm going to bring that to the front for starters. See the way I can move details, 2D details on top of each other, so that's probably taking care of that problem.